Gifted. 72 counts, 1 wall, advanced. Weight on the left. This dance has 2 parts. The first part has 36 counts. Section 1. Side right, behind, quarter forward, facing 3, chase, forward, half, quarter side, back to 12. Open your body to the right diagonal, back rock, recover, prep for the turn. Turn back, quarter side, 1 hit forward with hitch, up on toes. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, facing 430 diagonal. Forward sweep, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross. Square up to 6. 2 quick sway, right, left. Right basic, side, close, cross. Side left, reach right arm out, look right. Reach left arm out, look left. Drag in and pull hands in. Count section 2. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Part 1, section 3. Forward right with sweep, forward left with sweep. Step forward, reverse half turn, step back, facing 12. Rock right back, look over right shoulder. Recover left, forward sweep. Cross, side rock, recover 1-8, facing 10-30. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First part, section 4. Ball, walk left, right, slowly raise right arm during the walks. Left, mumble half turn with lift, followed by a slow full turn. Rock, recover half, lift, half, half. Now facing 430. A quick full turn, half, half. Rock right forward and reach right arm up. There are 4 additional counts after section 4. Recover 3-8 forward, facing 9. Rock left forward, reach left arm up. Recover quarter forward, facing 6. A quick step, half, back to 12. That's the end of the first half of the dance. Count section 4 plus the additional 4 counts. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, and end of the first half of the dance. The second half of the dance also has 36 counts. Second half, section 1. 2 walk, right, left, facing left diagonal, ball step. Forward on right, square up to 12. A quick step, half, facing 6. Rocking chair, forward rock, back rock, quick full turn, half, half. Count part 2, section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 2, forward left with sweep. Half diamond fall away, cross 1-8 back, back. Behind 1-8 side, 1-8 forward, now facing 10-30. 2 rocks, cross rock, side rock, square up to 12. Behind, side, use it as a press. Count section 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 3. After the press, make a quarter recover to right, reach both arms up. Make a quarter side, draw arms in. Now facing 6 o'clock. Make a quarter recover to right, facing 9. Left, step, lock, step. Mumble back with kick. Rock, recover, back, kick. Reach right arm forward. Back together. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 4. 2 side rock recover behind with arm reaching out. Left side rock recover behind. Right side rock recover behind. Quarter forward facing 6. Step forward. Quarter bounce, back to 12. End with weight on the left. Additional 4 counts after section 4. Right diagonal, touch. Left diagonal, touch. That's the end of part 2, the second half of the dance. Count section 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tag. Tag happens during wall 2 and wall 5. After 6 counts of the dance, replace count 7 and 8 with the tag to avoid turning.
First 6 counts is the beginning of the dance. Side right, behind, quarter, chase, forward, half, quarter side, back to 12. Back rock, recover. Instead of the turning, just do 2 rocks. Side rock, recover, cross rock, recover. Count
6 counts plus
tag. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and restart the dance. Whole dance count. Part 1, the first part of the dance. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Part 2, the second half of the dance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.
6 counts plus
tag. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8